corresponds with the first of Piato that Karen national leaders' demands to the British administration for the Karen New Year were finally recognized and declared an official holiday. That date was also formally acknowledged as being the year of 2677 on the Karen calendar. In fact, the movement for a distinct Karen national day was begun by Sanba in 1935. As member of the parliament for Daryanawati district, he argued that a Karen National Day should be introduced. However, the British colonial administration suggested that a Karen New Year Day would be a better alternative. In 1937, the Karen parliamentary representatives again presented the case for a Karen National Day, again unsuccessfully. The Karen National Association, KNA, realized that they instead had to work towards the Karen New Year Day. On 2nd of August 1937, Saul Johnson Dipolman, member of parliament for Taungu district, presented the case to the lower house. However, the Karen representatives in the chamber were split in their support across the two sides of parliament. UPU's governing faction and the opposition, led by Dr. Balma, as demands were coming from a member of UPU's side, Johnson Dipolman was an assistant minister. Those supporting Balma opposed the legislation. It failed to be ratified. Soon after, Dr. Balma's group formed a coalition, allowing it to seize power. The proposal seemed to be left with no chance of getting past the lower house. Members of the upper house, led by Saya Sanba, Sir Sansipo, and Saya Man Shriva, discussed the matter together. They lobbied for and gained the support of some among the new Karen ministers. The demand was restabled and passed. Balma's cabinet ratified the proposal and presented it to the Governor General for approval. In late 1937, the Governor General signed the legislation. The first day of Piato, 1938, Karen New Year 2677, was declared the first Karen New Year. And initially, the Karen leaders had been divided over the best day for the Karen New Year to fall on. 3 alternatives were put forward. 1, the same day as the Roman calendar. 2, the date when the missionary Dr. Justin first arrived in Burma. 3, the first day of Piato. The options were discussed and the matter resolved. The first alternative has global significance, and it was felt that a distinctive date for the Karen New Year would be more appropriate. As for the second alternative, Dr. Johnson was a Christian missionary, so this date would be suitable for Christians, but not Karens of other religions. The first day of Piato was best. Additionally, the month of Piato is special for Karen cultural solidarity, given the following reasons. 1, although Karens have different names for Piato, Saul Karens call it Vale and Po Karen Chikapo. The first of each of these seasons falls on the same day. 2, the rice harvest is completed in period leading to Piato, and according to current traditional religious practice, there must be a celebration for consumption of the new crop. It is also a time to divine the date for commencement of the next crop. Typically, this is also when new houses are constructed, and the completion of these must be celebrated. 3, the first of Piato is not a distinct festival for any religious group, so it is a day that is acceptable to all Karen people. For these reasons, on the first of Piato annually, we celebrate the Karen New Year.
Mr. Brigadier John,